In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change right hand in Counter-Strike 1.3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how simple it is to switch which hands are holding your gun in CS 1.3. Now, of course, I am recording this using CS 1.6, but don't worry, the process is essentially going to be the same. So all that you have to do is either go over to the game options or open the console. The most convenient way to change which hands are holding your gun is going to be by going over to options, multiplayer, and under the advanced category. You can find it here, weapon alignment. All that you have to do is switch it from left-handed to right-handed or vice versa. Once you swap it, it is going to be applied in game, and you will see your gun being held in the other side. And you can change it as many times as you wish. Now, if you prefer, you can also use console commands. To do this, open the console and you have to type CL underscore right hand and then either 1 or 0. If CL underscore right hand is set to 1, it is going to default your gun to the right, but if it is set to 0, the gun will go over to the left. And of course, you can set up binds to use these commands. So for example, bind mouse 5, and then let's say mouse 5 disables right hand. So CL underscore right hand 0. And then I can use, oh sorry, I did a space here, that was a mistake, but there we go. And now let's say I make it so mouse 4 activates right hand. Now if I press mouse 5 and mouse 4, you can see that my gun switches sides. So you can either use it once or set up a bind to swap it over and over if you prefer. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our content are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.